Old school teacher taught me the birds and bees. I'm at home in bed, I get a call from Dad. He yells out and says, time to go to class. I head on down to the living room. My parents said they gotta go out, buy a few things from the store, they won't be back for a while. My teacher and I said, okay, great, have a lovely trip along the way. Then my parents took off in the driveway. It looked like they were having a good day today. My teacher looks to me and goes, about time they're gone. I say, yes ma'am, this is great. She starts rubbing me on my crotch with her feet that's been freshly pedicured. I start licking her feet, worshiping her like a queen. She giggled and called me a good boy. This teacher knows I like it just like that. When she rubs me, I'm such a happy puppy. She is my yummy mommy. I want to come in her tummy. She said it's time to learn about the birds and bees. Then she got on her hands and knees. She pulled my cock out and put in her mouth. I could tell I wanted to go south and put in her ass, make her shout. My homeschool teacher was teaching me about the birds and the bees. She then turned around and got on the couch. She put her face down and pointed her cheeks at me. Told me if I wanted to learn what the birds were talking about, I would have to come closer and find out. I'm an adventurer by heart. I want to explore all part of birds and furthermore. Then she started moaning. I could tell 'cause I was on it. I got really intimate with her ass. She was feeling my tongue all in her. At this point my penis was twitching bad. My balls were blue and they were aching mad. I told her that I needed blow inside her back. She looked at me and smiled and she said, go ahead, don't pull out. I wanna feel your kid to me. This triggered a reaction deep in me, 'cause I was howling for some action on her bees. The dog inside of me was howling at me. I started getting the prowling in her lead. I stick it inside her and I'm thrusting deep. Sending my little man on a trip. I'm feeling her, she's feeling me. Her soft insides are melting me. I'm growing fond of what's in front of me. I wanna learn more birds and bees. I could tell she wants to teach me some more, so I let her have this meat. I'm letting it all out inside her. I'm a dirty dog, this I can admit. But you'll do the same for a milky mommy. I'm roaring like a boy, she drained me out completely. I ain't whole. We looked at each other right after the moment. We knew deep down we're learning this again. I can't believe I learned the birds and bees. I'm such a dog for me.